In this video, we're going to talk about medium-sized meeting rooms and the smaller boardroom. Now, many of you will be used to this kind of classic video conferencing setup of dual screens, so we can have multiple people dialed in, and I can share data from a laptop either wirelessly or via a cable. Key difference between this and what we showed you in the huddle video is a much larger soundbar. So obviously we've got much better audio pickup for the larger room, much better audio generally. But also with this soundbar, there's a mechanical pan-tilt zoom camera. So as you can see, I've focused in on myself. You can manually or use a tracking feature on many of these systems to look at a presenter. So this is the classic medium-sized meeting room. However, the future of meeting rooms generally, according to Microsoft, will be their front row. So what I'm going to do is now put this dual monitor system into a front row setup. Now what you'll immediately notice is we've got the chat down one side, I've got the ability to see raised hands down the other side, but I've still got two people up there. Great. If there was more people, it would display them differently, but at the moment I just want to show you what data looks like on dual screen. So if we put it into a data presentation, what you'll immediately see is Tia has dropped down, and this is classic front row where you just see individuals across the bottom. Tia has dropped down to be a small image. Data has now been squeezed onto one screen. We've still got a larger image of Chris, but data has been squeezed onto one screen. So it's not ideal for data sharing using dual monitors. In your prestige, customer-facing, high-end spaces, there is a better way of doing this. But this is a classic medium-sized setup that again can be done relatively inexpensively. We can add in ceiling speakers, we can add in other microphones. There's lots more that can be done, but this is a classic setup.